Welcome to E MetroTel's Galaxy 3000G. The Galaxy 3000G is an enterprise-grade rack-mounted hardware platform designed to deliver high-density, high-performance UCX-based telephony. Built for large-scale deployments, Galaxy 3000G supports up to 3,000 extensions and 1,000 concurrent calls, making it an ideal solution for high-demand enterprise environments. Each chassis features dual gigabit Ethernet ports and a dedicated management port. Designed for maximum reliability, the system includes dual hot swappable power supplies, redundant fan trays, and supports dual processors, dual memory, and dual RAID drives, offering full hardware-level redundancy. Galaxy 3000G supports SIP trunks without the need for additional trunk licenses. It includes TLS and SRTP encryption and secure remote configuration and provisioning, leveraging our built-in VPN. The 3000G hardware is loaded with E MetroTel's standard UCX software to unlock advanced features such as over 100 enterprise telephony features. Powered by UCX, Infinity One is E MetroTel's browser-based platform for chat, voice, and video collaboration, included with every user license at no extra cost. Professional contact center with omni-channel support with real-time wallboards, historical reports, and queue callback capabilities. Call detail reporting, scheduled announcements, and up to 128,000 hours of call recording. Galaxy 3000G supports a wide range of endpoints, including E MetroTel's Infinity 5000 series and upcoming 7000 series of XDEM-enabled phones. Legacy Nortel, Avaya, Panasonic, NEC, digital and IP phones as part of our green migration capabilities. Standard SIP phones from vendors such as Cisco, Mitel, Yealink, and Polycon. Fully networkable with redundant capabilities, Galaxy 3000G is designed to meet the demanding and evolving communication needs of growing businesses. If you'd like to learn more about Galaxy 3000G or other E MetroTel solutions, we're ready to talk. Visit emetrotel.com or email us at sales@emetrotel.com.